Hi cookies! Today we are making this tiny crochet Christmas tree, and I also show you how to crochet this mini star for the top and a strong pretty cord. This little tree works great as a cute keychain, web charm, or if you make it in different color, such a lovely ornament for your Christmas tree. All materials and abbreviation you need are listed in the description below. Let's start crocheting. Round 1. We are starting with the magic ring, and inside it we'll place 6 single crochets. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 2. In the first stitch, make an increase. And in the next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. Repeat that 1 more time. You should have 8 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. In round 3, we simply crochet 1 single crochet into each stitch, so you should still have 8 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. In round 4, we are making a popcorn stitch made from 5 single crochets. So, in the very first stitch, work 5 single crochets in the same stitch. Now take your hook out of the loop, insert into the first of those 5 stitches. Grab the work loop again and pull it through. Chain 1. That creates the popcorn stitch. Then make a single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the sequence 4 times. You should still have 8 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 5. In the first stitch, make an increase. Then, in the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Repeat the sequence 4 times. You should have 12 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 6. Just make one single crochet in every stitch. You should have 12 stitches total. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 7. We start with popcorn stitch. Then in the next stitch make one single crochet. Repeat this sequence 6 times. You should have 12 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 8. In the first stitch make an increase. Then work one single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat this 4 times. You should have 16 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Chain 1. Round 9. Just make one single crochet in each stitch. You should still have 16 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 10. In the first stitch make popcorn stitch, then in the next stitch make one single crochet. Repeat this sequence 8 times. You should still have 16 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 11. In the first stitch make an increase, then work one single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Repeat this 4 times. You should have 20 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 12. Just make one single crochet in each stitch. You should still have 20 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and chain 1. Round 13. In the first stitch make a popcorn stitch, then in the next stitch make one single crochet. Repeat this sequence 10 times. You should have 20 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. And then cut and fasten off the yarn. Now we move on to making the star. Make a magic ring. And crochet inside it. Chain 2. Then one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then make one slip stitch into the magic ring. Repeat this sequence 5 times. Then tighten the magic ring and sew the star onto 3. make the cord, we only need one strand of yarn, about 1 meter or 40 inches long, and a 1 millimeter crochet hook. Fold the yarn in half and attach into the tree. Now yarn over using the bottom end of the yarn. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Then catch the top end of the yarn and pull it through both loops on the hook. Repeat this until your cord reaches the desired length. Then attach the cord to the tree and hide the yarn tails. Thank you for crocheting with me, my cookies. I hope your tiny tree brings a little Christmas magic to your home. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. Wish you a warm and joyful holiday season. See you soon!